Who offered him his toes?
I thought I was talking to. I thought you were over here at Gregory.
Oh, okay, I got you. So I'm literally starting off with tanks, 2 anti-air, a CP, and a re chopper.
Let's do this thing.
Also, I'm pretty sure everybody that I didn't like in high school is now a real estate agent.
What?
Is now a real estate agent. Like you know Andrew White. Remember that douchebag Ryan? Kyle's friend, Erica's house. He's one of the guys I graduated with. Like he sent me a friend request on Facebook, and I accepted it. Just look at his profile.
Oh gosh, am I leaving one?
So then I just blocked him. Like whatever. I'm not your clientele base here.
Oh, dude.
He was the one that was a Marine who was like thought he was a badass. And
Oh, hey.
the whole time he was in.
Where am I putting my CP?
Atlanta.
Yeah, send it to Atlanta.
Alright.
It is kind of funny. I noticed on LinkedIn that the biggest drug dealer in my graduating class won. He won the pharmaceutical sales rep award for being like the top salesman for the drug he sells. Like, I was like, that's interesting. I wanted to comment on it, but I was like, my company would fire me. It's like, B, it's a dick move, but he was another one of those people who he just got lucky that everybody liked him in life because he should have been in prison.
Yeah, otherwise he would have been in prison.
Yeah, he was just like
Sounds
always
like
a cool
Ray-Bans.
kid or whatever. I was like, yeah, I saw that and I wanted to comment and be like, dang, man, stop pushing weed. Now you're selling heart medication.
What in the world am I hearing right
I think that was Jamie talking.
I actually did not mean to send my
If that was
CP
Jamie
over
talking.
there.
You're
Right.
good. I turned mine around when I saw you took off.
I did not even mean to. I looked over and I was like, why is my CP over there? And I looked back and you left one. I was like, oh.
Man, I hope we do this camping thing soon.
Yeah, I'm down.
Before the snakes come out.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we need to deal while it's cold.
You don't have any anti-air over on the left. No, you got some.
I
looked
got
up,
light anti-air.
bushcrafting with snake phobia. People were like, yeah, we don't have any good tips for that.
That sucks, buddy.
Yeah, it sucks for you, man.
I mean, when it's snow, I don't mind being out when it's like snowing. I'd rather do it there because it's more challenging. But dude, maybe I'll hammock camp if we do it in the summer. But I'm gonna have to take like some Valium or something.
Oh look, they're coming right down the middle.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a big old fat force too.
I know it's like irrational. Because I mean, I had Doc, like you brought up last week, Blake. I had Doc like bite through my hand. That's gonna hurt a lot worse.
Yeah.
You know,
How did that dog survive?
he was very, very young. He was doing it because I was like forcibly opening his mouth to take a bottle cap out that he got.
I might lose my B5. Oh no.
So he was.
He
Which
got
was
out.
he ever bit me.
I'm sending in Seedcraft.
Oh my gosh,
care
he
of
actually got out. But he bombed way too early. Dang it.
You got anti-air coming over towards us.
I'm just glad I did not lose him.
Oh man, my Seedcraft took out so many. He got one of them though. Well, I had a couple MI-25s to help you out here, Blake.
Thank you,
Look at
sir.
all those jets coming.
Oh, goodness.
Are they evac at all?
Wow, your Seedcraft scared him off.
Whoa! You weren't kidding!
That's what I should.
Oh hell!
That's what you should have me do. Is like when I can't play, just let me do like an air, like a
The air
the
deck.
planes, but let me do an air deck for them. And let me do recon, like something, one single unit, like one type of unit. Look at all the planes they brought out again. They just don't know how to use planes. Okay, those are actually going to do something because
They might be after my tanks.
They're sending that out for air superiority.
Yeah, they're after my.
Dude, I've never seen so many planes out.
No! No! Go the
See
other
you
way!
later,
Go
Jamie.
the other way!
Jamie, you're done.
What the hell?
Go the other way! He
They're
does not
okay,
like my
this is the
infantry
first
there.
stack that shot,
Oh,
Ryan.
what?
Dude, they're sending out fleets, man.
Go away!
Where are they coming now?
They're going to y'all!
Are they
Oh
napalm?
no.
Are they napalm or are they bombers?
Oh,
No, there's a whole nother wave of them.
oh my god.
Oh no.
What the piss?
Look at all this.
My tanks are gone.
Yeah, but they didn't kill as much as you would think.
They killed 2 of my main battle tanks though. Anti-air opened up, but I mean,
At one point, they had 30 planes on the map there.
There's more coming. Oh, it's just one loner. That's a napalm.
This is beautiful. This is what I wanted to
Never
see.
mind, it's not.
Is them actually just
I gotta get some
insane
replacement
numbers
tanks
of
up there.
planes out there.
Yeah, that air superiority deck that I built, that infuriated Blake.
hey, I'm gonna move my infantry up through the woods and get where your ATGMs are, along with that.
Ooh,
All my
there's
other stuff
AA
over
right
there.
there. Oh my god.
Alright, these guys can't shoot at those infantry, so if they get too close, I'll get wrecked.
Oh, this ain't good.
I got that anti-air.
I really wish we
Actually,
could stop flying these planes out here.
all those band tank faggots got them.
I mean, we're taking down a few at a time, but the next wave that comes out, let me know. I got 2, if anybody has a seed, if they could send it out over the right side or directly down the left side, I think we're okay in the middle.
I can send it down the right side in just a moment.
Oh, here, they're sending something.
Got a healthy push. Oh yeah, I'm getting spewed on.
Oh, here they come.
I'm gonna. Oh gosh, I gotta move my tanks back.
You back, Winchester.
Come on, tanks, move your ass.
Oh,
That somehow survived that.
that spat is a freaking OG. Well, I'm pulling back into the woods. I'm gonna
chasing
need
them around it,
every
Ryan.
possible.
You're in need of big time air support.
Oh yeah. Everything that's over here is dead. So everything over here is nothing more
Get
than
out.
a placeholder.
Stop flying around and get the F word out.
Oh man, this is not good.
I got a couple of Mi-25s coming to help you over there.
The end is nigh for Ryan. But they're being idiots and sitting in the fire getting stunned, so you have a chance to light them up here.
They're doing some pincer stuff up.
Mi-25,
Damn
so
it,
it didn't
dude.
work.
Is your stack of infantry going to survive over here, Ryan? You think?
On the left side,
I'm trying to get my guys over here to where they can hit that.
yeah, we should be all right.
Yeah, he hit you with that pretty number 2 combo.
Planes, planes, planes.
Oh yeah, see you later, guys. Oh no.
You're lucky those, I'm assuming those are HE rockets, because if those are AP rockets, those tanks annihilated.
Running out of support options. Fall back with your dudes. Fall back hard.
Kind of bold to bring a CP in, by the way. Yeah, he's doing his thing, though. He's just rolling through.
Yeah. No one's gonna stop that. No reason to
Like
stop.
3 tow missiles shot at him. The Igman shooting at him, and he's just like, I'm out. Oh, he did. Getting that Millersville justice.
Millersville Street Justice.
Bomb's coming in here. Oh, that's perfect. Just in time to stun
Yeah,
him.
dude.
This Spat's about to find this pong, eh?
Oh god.
That's only got 50 rounds though.
These guys are out of ammo. Where are my helicopters? Y'all need to get over here.
Oh yeah, Ryan. I realized those socks I was wearing the other day weren't even thermal. They were
They
just
still
wool
felt pretty
hiking
good.
socks. Like yeah, but like shocked at how warm they held up just hiking trail socks.
His Air Force is depleting me.
I did see a version on Amazon. It's like an alternate version of paracord. It was like really interesting. It was a cord that like if you take out the casing of it, like if you split it apart, it has a standard like copper wire, like conductive wire in it. It had like 3 different types of like things where you could use it for like survival. Like you could
That's
wire
pretty
it
freaking
for, you
awesome.
could use it for wiring, like all this different stuff. Which would be more of like a bug out back then.
But it's still pretty awesome.
Oh yeah, I was like, you could split that open, take it, and use it to rewire a car or rewire whatever, a light.
Yeah. Yeah, run some lights or heat or something like that, pretty
Right.
simply.
Well, have fun.
Let's see how this ad cam's good. And all that napalm. Good eating. Aircraft inbound. Oh, he's pincerring me with the aircraft.
They fly over me. I got a ton of air. Yeah, you wasted your plane jackets.
Let's scramble my planes at a good time to help wade that off.
He actually got a hold of one of my tanks. You son of a...
Hey, infantry coming over the left side of the mountain on us.
I'm gonna send a chopper after him.
Oh, mine's on. They hellfired him to death.
Hey, Storm, bring your MI-25s for
Yeah.
logistics.
Sorry, what?
Take your MI-25s over for some logistics.
Thanks. Yeah, they're dry. Yeah.
They are gonna get wiped out by these T-34s if they don't get.
Alright, I'm gonna resupply your fobs since they're close.
That's fine.
I sent you a B5 as a
That
parting
is a
gift.
that is a beautiful parting gift. You're gonna get many kills right there. Yeah, you should have got a lot of kills right there. You shut down that road.
Here. This ought to help too. My BRDMs are almost out of Scalus missiles here.
Oh, I'm shuffling infantry around to try to plug that gap that keeps coming up.
I'm gonna move a few more up in its place, and then I'm gonna bring something that I think will help against the infantry they keep sending. These guys are Jeeps with 82 millimeter rockets on them.
That's pretty cool.
That ought to slow down that infantry push, I hope.
Oh no, he's coming through the woods now.
Crap, my helicopters are out. Oh, that's not good.
I got the best thing to come help you here.
I'm gonna napalm the road to try to slow that down. Yeah, this is about to get really bad for us. Although my Mi-25s are lighting them up. B5 inbound.
Good lord. Whoever just dropped all that pain, thank you.
I dropped those clusters. Those cluster munitions did it well.
Yes. Very
Actually,
well.
I'm gonna redirect my B5 to the right. You look like you're about to need it more than I do. Since y'all dropped all the support over here. Oh yeah.
We're getting pushed back, but it's controlled.
Here comes that B5 bomb. And goodbye. All right. My Jeeps just showed up. Oh, what is happening in the middle? Oh, crap.
Oh,
I
they're in
get some.
Gregory.
Oh, all my anti-air is gone too. I was not paying any attention.
I got some helicopters headed over there.
Yeah, so do I. That's not good. Alright, you guys are 100% on your own on the right for
Oh
a time.
god. Napalm just roasted me.
We're holding.
Oh yeah, I got my guys too. Did they drop napalm on us? Where did that come from?
I have no clue. I have one unit that's not going to make it out.
I was gonna say, can you get... I was about to ask for... My Mi-25s are almost 100% dry. In fact, that's probably the last they had. I gotta go get those refueled. Hey, I'm gonna pull my Mi-25s from that right side and bring them back over here.
Gotcha.
That from Jamie and from Blake. I'm pulling them out.
Oh, you're good, man. I'm making a push.
Blake about to give him that Bordeaux jungle justice.
If y'all got seed, you can send it there.
Where? Right here? Alright. And he goes. Oh, I love how your infantry are just... Oh. Hang on. I'm gonna napalm that hill back there where you're getting
Ahead of my proletariat.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop my advance.
You are encountering the same thing I did. Yeah, swing them back to the right. Yeah. Well, that wasn't the one he was going for, but he got him.
Hey, get your supply choppers out of there.
Gotcha.
Alright, time to thin y'all out. I see planes still flying around over there. It is amazing how much they continue pushing this left side.
Yeah. I really haven't cooled off.
What's nice is your those BVPs when they're hitting them with the cannon is stunning them long enough for both sides to get off the Scalos missiles.
Mm.
Oh, there they are.
Hey, can you send a seed out?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'm about to bomb and I just don't want to get blasted. I don't know what the hell just...
Oh my gosh, that was a B5 that just went off down there.
Dude, that's insane.
You talking about at the bridge?
Yeah, I mean, they just got vapor.
There was nothing left.
Dude, they just devastated their nation.
Like, literally there was nothing left.
They'll be talking about that in history books forever.
Blake, did anybody else see that?
I mean, I do.
I just want
I
to
couldn't believe what I just saw.
It just lit up like a Christmas tree, dude. Like, like an insane amount. Hey, send your seed over to the left.
I don't know why he's going in a circle, boy.
Everybody sent lanes over to the left.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna halt.
Here's my cluster munitions again.
Where in the heck did all that come from?
You ain't kidding, dude.
Your V-horse popped up over the lip of that freaking hill, and it was like madness.
Yeah, I'm backing up. Let the bombers take care of it.
Messed up.
Good gosh.
You sending them in, boys. You sending them in.
Dude, most of my Mi-25s only have their cannon left, and they're still just laying waste to everything.
They are more than welcome to.
Done for, boy. You messed up.
Alright, my Mi-25s need refuel.
Tell my planes to fire on infantry.
There's a lot of pain and anger headed to those poor dudes trying to cross the bridge.
Get back, boys. Get back. They're angry.
Can you imagine me walking across there and all that fire just everywhere in every direction?
No. You're being eternally picked on. Hey, supply vehicle.
Man, those MIH
Around.
beating it.
And they got captured.
What?
My supply vehicles got captured. I'm going to have to go recapture those.
That FAPs?
Yeah.
Whoa! Dude! Look to your right.
Oh my gosh.
There's a
Oh my.
B5's about to drop right in the middle of that.
Oh,
Don't move up.
okay, yeah, just please don't hit my tanks.
Goodbye. Sorry, I stunned your T-62s a little.
This is
Cluster
madness.
munitions for it too. Still hold. Let me make sure they're clear for you.
Wow. Nigga, that was some intense fighting.
that was some rigmarole slaughter down there.
Golly, these guys are relentless on this left side.
Dude, I know.
Alright, now comes
They are
fighting some Ryan.
resupplying off of your recon. Off of your guys.
I know. I'm gonna capture him back and beat the hell out of him when I get done.
I'm giving you a logistics net in your area, Ryan.
Gotcha. That'd be much appreciated.
I'm gonna try to bring my MI-25s around and see what's still contesting the capture of those. Dude, I don't know what in the world is contesting the capture of those.
I don't know either.
It can't be much. And if it shows itself, it is screwed.
Yeah. You're buzzing around.
That's infantry right here in the middle.
There we go. I got him. My poor infantry over there is just ragtag.
Doing strike runs with my SU-25.
Yeah, dude. Take it. Man, they just keep sending it, too.
Hey, backup's on its way. I dropped a mute.
Looks like this 2 MI6s dry. I mean, the big set of tanks I had out there just slurped those MI6s down.
This has been a war of attrition, basically.
Bless you.
Bless you, Joe.
Thank you.
Hey, can y'all let me know when you're sending it? These freaking P5 stake 1 trillion years to respawn.
Joe just randomly napalmed Dimitri.
Yeah.
Because you napalmed, I think, directly on his, I think his fob is like right here.
Ah. Yeah, I'm sending some more airstrikes back there.
Yeah, I just napalmed back in there too.
He's trying to run his CP away.
Oh, you got some kind of kill back there.
Is that it?
Oh, nice work, boys. Yeah. Oof.
SU-24 got a lot of kills. Be licking the plate clean.
I'll be thinking about my bomber's got an obnoxious amount of kills.
You ever seen that guy? What's his name? Ed Bassmaster,
Mhm.
whatever.
Yeah.
YouTube guy. Where he goes like the car lots and stuff, but all he can say is just puts his hands up. If the guy walks up, he's like, "Hey, you like this car?" He's like,
He does that thing where he like kind of throws his hands at him. Like,
"Yeah, that's what I love." He's like, I watched one where he went to like, he was like in like the hood or something, and I walk up and he said, and, like, waves his hands at him like, "Get out of here!" Like,
yeah.